I got this package in the mail, and I really wish that I would have gotten a picture of it before I cut it open, because I couldn't believe what it was when I saw what was inside. It was much, much smaller than what you see here. It was like about a third of the width here and wrapped up super tight with all this packaging material. But I looked at it and I thought, well, I didn't order anything shaped like that. I'll show you what it was. It's my bumper cover. They folded it in 3. Look at that. That is the bumper cover for my car. And it's made out of such soft plastic that they could fold it to ship it. Now, I saw some reviews on Amazon where people were pretty upset about that, but I also saw some other reviews that said, let it sit out and let it get back to its normal shape and it's fine. So I'm going to leave it out in the sun, let it work the kinks out, and I do think it'll be fine, and if not, then I'll let you know. But yeah, I would not have expected that to come in a bundle about 1/3 its size. Well, this has been sitting out in the sun for most of the afternoon, and I don't see any kinks from where it was folded. I'm actually really impressed by this. So that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, everything looks like it's the right shape. All right, well, there you go. Now we know that even if they fold this thing into thirds and cram it into a bag and send it to you, it will be okay. You just have to set it out and let it get back to its original shape. Awesome.